In this quick guide, you'll learn how to pause a survey in SurveyMonkey. Whether you're gathering feedback for a project or collecting data for research, there may come a time when you need to temporarily halt responses. Perhaps you need to analyze the collected data without further input, or maybe you've reached your desired sample size. Whatever your reason, pausing a survey is a straightforward process in SurveyMonkey, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to surveymonkey.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard, which gives you an overview of all your surveys. Next, look for the option that says All Surveys. This is typically located in the main menu or toolbar on your dashboard, and selecting it will take you to a comprehensive list of your surveys. Here, you can see all the surveys you've created, both active and inactive. Once you're on the All Surveys page, scroll through your list to find the specific survey you want to pause. When you locate it, click on Edit Survey. This will open up the Survey Editor, where you can make changes to the survey's content and settings. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see three vertical dots, often referred to as a More Options menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to your survey. From the drop-down menu, select View Collectors. In SurveyMonkey, a collector is essentially a method through which you're gathering responses, such as a link, email invitation, or embedded survey. Viewing collectors allows you to manage these distribution channels. After clicking View Collectors, you'll be presented with a list of all the collectors associated with your survey. Identify the specific collector you wish to pause. Once you've found it, click on the three dots next to that collector. This will open another menu with options specific to that collector. Finally, select Close Collector from the options provided. By closing the collector, you effectively pause the survey, preventing any new responses from being submitted through that channel. Don't worry, this action doesn't delete any existing responses. It simply stops new ones from coming in. And there you have it. You've successfully paused your survey in SurveyMonkey. Remember, you can always reopen the collector later if you decide to resume collecting responses. This flexibility is one of the many reasons SurveyMonkey is a popular choice for creators and researchers alike. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on optimizing your SurveyMonkey experience. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.